Hey guys, welcome. It's Glen Murray. This is going to be my review of Glen Koski's Fast Cash Side Hustles. This is a brand new product by Glen Koski. This guy's a number one seller on ClickBank, Digistore, Warrior Plus. This guy is a machine. He puts out a lot of products. So I'm going to go through this one. It's called the Fast Cash Side Hustles. Hey, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. About to hit 10,000 followers, so I'm really excited about that. All right, so what is it? What is fast cash? It's a tongue twister for me. So exposed how I make passive $100 profit over and over, proof below, by tapping into dumb little side hustles that take less than 5 minutes a day. First off, the subject line, they're probably a little bit once it's all set up, yeah, you could probably do it at 5 minutes a day. Well, not even. I would say it's probably more like 60 minutes a day. But once you do set up these things for affiliate marketing, it is really easy to make a lot of money for very little time. Especially if you've got everything set up and you're doing paid traffic, it takes you less than 5 minutes to buy a solo ad. So you could be, if you're just sending straight solo ad to products, then yeah, you could totally do it. So what is it? It's basically just a list of fast side hustles. So who is this for? It's really for beginners. This is definitely a beginner. If you're already you've dabbled in affiliate marketing and you kind of know where you're getting started, or you understand the process and you want to take it to the next level, then I would suggest go over to the school app and jump into my affiliate profit pages. I'm offering lifetime account for $20. So that's something you could do if you're already a novice, because this is really for beginners. This is really a beginner, kind of an introductory course. But let me jump into it. I'll show you what's in the back office. So this is the Bible. So this is a VIP area. Glen does a lot of coaching and training, so he's got lots of links around here for his one-on-one training. So he's going to be upselling you to his coaching. So the main training modules is here. It's videos, side hustles, why people fail, download. Now the download is a complete guide of every side hustle that's out there, basically from user-generated content where you can get sponsorships, to TikTok store, to being a YouTuber, to building up social media profiles and selling them. All these things that you can do. He has a bunch of supplementary training, tracking, AI emails, AI newsletters, images, videos, free traffic. And guys, you can pick this up. Where's the sales page? I think, let me just refresh it here. You can pick it up for like $14. I think you get $3 off if you do claim $3 off. So you can pick it up for $14. Is it worth $14? Absolutely. It's a great list. You're learning from a top marketer, which is always good to learn from. I bought so many of these courses, and each of them, maybe I spent $20, or I got a couple upsells, and maybe I spent $100. But I learned from all of them because I'm learning how they're selling and what they're selling and what makes their product sell. Like if he goes and sells 5,000 of these on Warrior Plus, it's because he knows how to sell. So I look at his sales page, I look at his upsells, so all that stuff. So really, this is a really great entry level product. So that's it. I'm not going to go through all the upsells, their usual upsells. Like he has a done for you module, he has a traffic module, all that kind of stuff. You do want to get it going in, because they're always less expensive than buying it inside the members area. So you're going to get a better deal than buying it here, doing the upgrades inside. So you want to do the upgrades on the outside. So one thing I noticed though with this product is that he doesn't have an actual landing page built for you. So what I'm going to do is my bonus. I'm going to give you my. I'm basically going to give you my hack, and this will be right. And here, actually, I'm going to put in two bonuses. I'm going to give you access to my affiliate profit pages school, so full access to that, and that means you'll get access to all these, including the paid products in here. There are a couple paid programs in here of mine. There's some coaching that I recommend. Those are my coaches. But for the these ones like Cheetah Method and these are, you'd have to buy them. I'll make sure you get access to those. And if you get in here and they're locked, you just have to message me and say, hey, I bought, Glen's fast cash side hustles and you gave me the bonus. The other bonus I'm going to give you is my my pre-built funnel. So this is my Freedom Blueprint hack, and you're going to get access to this. And this is really key. This is actually a full functioning landing page, which you don't have to pay for. I show you how to get it using free software. A complete email campaign that you don't have to pay for. That's also in the system that you're going to be able to import. And so everything will be done for you, totally done for you. The only thing you are going to need if you're going to do email marketing is you do have to buy a domain. And that's the only thing there. And domains are like, if you get it with a coaching, with a hosting package, it's like $3 a month or something. I think for a year it's $35 or something like that. And I show you which links to put in it, and I show you how to put it all together in this video tutorial. All right. I also, in here, you get how to recreate viral videos to send traffic to it. You get my mini chat automation sequence, the exact one I use. And then also I give you the doc so that you can share it and give it away to someone. So you could, while you're generating traffic, you can say, hey, if you want my free guide, I give you a free guide that you can use as your own, and you put your own affiliate links in it. And basically what's funny is that in here, he teaches you how to give away this stuff using AI emails, newsletters, images. So this is a really good bonus to go with this beginner's package. So you would be basically, you'd have all this beginner information, and then you would also have my expertise in my school. And I'm in here every day. I'm pushing you, giving you motivational. You can ask me any question in here. I will be offering a one-on-one coaching. So you'll be able to, we'll get on Skype calls and we'll audit your system and see where you're going wrong if you're not making money. All right. So that's what that is. So what's my honest opinion about the fast cash side hustle? Well, again, totally for a beginner. Okay, this is if you're already doing affiliate marketing, I don't think this is going to help you a lot. Like I don't think it's one of those ones that's going to be an aha moment for you. But as a beginner, if you're just kind of learning about affiliate marketing, absolutely, it's a great sort of blueprint side hustle Bible that he's got in here. So he's got it's got 122 pages of side hustles, guys, teaching you, showing you every angle. So you could go through that, like, spend some time, scroll through it, find some side hustles that you want to try, and just try them out for yourself and figure out how they work. Because every time you try one of these side hustles, you're learning more and more about how to sell products and make money. And also, if you've got a side hustle in here in the Bible and you want to come and ask me in the affiliate profit, I've probably tried it, or if I haven't tried it, I can turn you on to someone who's an expert in that field and show you where you can really get more knowledge on doing that particular side hustle. So that's it, guys. That has been my fast cash side hustle review, and of course you get my bonus. So you're getting you pick this up for $13, so you'd be getting my school, which is right now, you get lifetime access to it. It's going to be a $47 a month school when I get enough members in there. So I'm just building it now. So you'd be basically a founding member, which is really cool. And you're also getting my Freedom Blueprint, which today it makes me anywhere from, on a low day, $300, on a good day, $2,000 a day. And you're going to get my exact funnel. I'm not giving you part of my funnel or anything like that. I'm giving you my exact funnel, my exact automation. I show you exactly how I make my videos. So you're getting 100% of everything that I do. I'm actually going to be putting in there too, and you're going to want to do this because these review videos are great extra cash, and I'm going to be putting a classroom in there showing you exactly how to do these review videos because they're very easy to do. You set them, you forget about it, and a really good one can make you anywhere from a couple $100 to thousands of dollars over the course of 2 or 3 months, and even up to 6 months. I get sales from review videos I did a year ago boom, a sale will pop up. Like, wow, where did that come from? Because someone was looking for that product. It was the right product, and they saw the review, and they're like, ooh, I'm going to go get that product. All right, guys, that is it. I will see you on the next one. Go grab, if you're a beginner, go grab Fast Side Hustles. And if you don't want to pick this up, if you're more immediate, go over to the school app, find affiliate profit pages, jump in, get the lifetime access right now, and I'll see you in there. And if you do, comment in the school group, say, well, you'll be able to message me anyway, but comment in there and say, hey, I found you on your review video of Fast Side Hustles, and I'll see you in there. All right, guys, cheers. Bye.